How's it going? Coach Coco here. Wanted to give you a warm hug and send you lots of good wishes as we start this journey of hydration. I'm so proud of you for selecting not only the best nutrition products in the world, but selecting me as your coach. I'm truly humbled and inspired by you. So thank you once more for the opportunity. So let's get started. You got an incredible product bundle, you're exercising, you want to stay hydrated, right? This summer's been hot, humid, and there's no better way to do it than with Herbalife Nutrition. So here are the things that Herbalife has for you while you get started on your hydration products. So one, hydration is key. We all know this, but why is it important? Some of us may or may not know that our organs are primarily made out of water. And while water is super important, sometimes we need to boost it, right? Because we need to be drinking at least half of our water weight in ounces in water, right? And I know my journey has been a struggle with water, right? I am a full-time teacher. I don't have a lot of time to drink, and I want the added benefits. So let's start with CR7. When you're working out, you're sweating a lot. You're losing electrolytes and carbohydrates. Our body's main source of energy are carbohydrates. There's no better way to re-establish balance with during or after workout with CR7. So keep going on that. Always, feel confident that you're using the best products, but also know that you're replenishing what you're losing in your workouts, your electrolytes and your carbohydrates. So this is awesome, low calorie, tastes delicious, acai berry, come on, and formulated for athletes. So, and as certified, all of it is good, right? And it can be easily combined with the other two that you ordered, right? So you can either combine it with your H30, which is really delicious, beats any drink out there. Love it, kid safe, kid friendly, and also just overall delicious, okay? What I love about this is that I can give it to my 2-year-old, okay? And 2, I can mix it. So I want a new flavor of hydration, boom, right? I want one flavor, I want another flavor, or I can make my own flavor. How awesome is that? And they work synergistically. So you are establishing your routine, right, by how and what you're selecting. So your H30, your CR7, you can drink them every day, totally safe. This one has no caffeine. This one has a tiny little bit. So during your workout, you're gonna feel that energy. And what I just love about it is that, combined under 120 calories, okay? And you're gonna burn it off anyway because you're active. So how awesome is that? And I think the other thing that I really love about it is that they both can, they're both rapid, they're rapid to absorb, okay? So you'll feel the benefits right away, okay? And lastly, you've ordered the Beauty Collagen Booster. Absolutely love this Beauty Collagen Booster. A couple of things that I learned along the way about collagen is that we sort of lose our ability to have that nice, supple skin as soon as 30. We start to lose collagen, and collagen is a protein, okay? And what we need to understand about collagen is that not all collagens are equal. One, this is a marine collagen. It is, again, highly absorbable, very easy for the skin to reap the benefits. And also you will notice that if you have any fine lines within 4 to 8 weeks, you will notice a difference. It's recommended you have 1 cup per day, okay? And again, feel free to combine. They all work synergistically together. So you want an acai lemonade, boom, right? You want an orange lemonade, boom, okay? So you get to choose your adventure, which is awesome. And you get the added benefits, right, of a low calorie, delicious, hydrating beverage. The other thing that I love about the Beauty Collagen Booster is that you can have it hot or cold, okay? And inside you have a scoop. You would use a scoop, okay? And in about a cup of water, you would dunk it in. Now, the collagen, what I love about the collagen is that it has something called collagen bioactive collagen peptides. And what this is your skin is going to take this collagen and actually eliminate the fine lines, okay, bring back that elasticity that we lose. And finally, you if you have any like cellulite in the skin, it helps eliminate cellulite. Within 4 to 8 weeks, you'll see a unbelievable process of the skin just loving this nutrients. You also have antioxidants, beta carotene. I believe it has a calcium and vitamin E. So these are really good because they help us with free radical damage, cell damage. So as we age, right, we want to consume foods that will help us eliminate, if not combat, those aging processes that happen. Now, I am just so excited. Those are some of the things that I know. There's so much more to learn, but I'm gonna leave you with those ideas. And then as far as preparing your lemonade, I will say, what you want to do is, because it's active, okay, you kind of want to help it dissolve. So you can really just take some, a few moments, all right, to just swirl the active collagen around, okay? And it's going to sort of look like it's activating, right? It's like, ooh, what's going on here, right? All the other powders are really easy to dissolve. This needs just a little bit of, a little boost, okay? So keep that fork nearby, and you're gonna see that all of the powder, okay, will dissolve within about a minute. And people have this hot as a hot lemonade, and they have it daily. The key thing to our success here is that you maybe consider documenting your journey. So take that before picture, see what happens in that second week, see what happens in that fourth week, see what happens in that sixth week, and see what happens, what reveal you get on that 8th week, right? So don't hesitate, right? Don't hesitate to stay consistent with it. And you can taste it, okay? And if you want to make it even to popsicles, so good. Oh my gosh. You can also do that. And you can also just keep your water jug full, right? And just enjoy, right? Just enjoy that lemonade. You can even enhance it with kiwi pieces or strawberry pieces, or squirt a little bit of lemonade, okay? And you're gonna have an amazing, incredible drink before you know it. So look at that, all done. Today I've got my liftoff, okay, and I'm gonna be making it into a lemonade collagen mix right here. So cheers. I hope this helps. I hope this encourages you to keep going. I'm so grateful for your loyalty. And again, if you should have any questions, I'll send you a couple more videos so you can get really the science behind it. But love it. Absolutely love it. I used to have a little cellulite on my legs, and with active, healthy lifestyle, with the support of my coach and just being consistent, right? The stuff's got your back. So I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much, and I hope this inspires you. And feel free to reach out. Let me know how it's going. All right, bye-bye.